Hey you! Have you ever met a friend's cat and thought, wow, that is a terrible name for a cat? Today we're diving into a list of over 50 of the dumbest, funniest, and most absurd cat names you've ever heard. Stick around, because the last few names on this list are so bad, you might just lose faith in humanity, or maybe get inspired for your next pet. Let's get started. Chairman Meow, Sir Fluffington, Rover, Tuna McFishface, Nemo, Biscuit McWhiskers, Pickle Paws, Noodle, Kevin, Fuzz Aldrin, Professor Wigglebottom, Cheddar Bob, Waffles, Turtle, Mr. Boops, Perlock Holmes, Meowzart, Meatball, Cheese, Catechus Finch, Tater Tot, Feathers, Spaghetti, Sir Hissalot, Muffin Top, Pork Chop, Katniss Everclean, Whiskerdoodle, Pudding. Stop that. Captain Snugglepants, Nacho, Ribbit, Barkley, Frito Bendito, Sir Lix-a-Lot, Burrito, Bessie, Fido, Mr. Poof, Beans, Chewbacca, Claudia, Smoosh, Fang, Stinky, Sassy McFluff, Cheeto, Ginger Snap, Tweety, Booger, Claus, Wobble. And there you have it, over 50 of the dumbest cat names I could find. Did any of these make you laugh, groan, or maybe even remind you of your own pet? In all honesty, I've personally used 3 of these names for cats, and I know cats who have used 4 of the names. And if your cat's name makes you happy, then that's what matters most. If you've ever used one of these names, or if you have an even more ridiculous cat name of your own, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more weird and wonderful pet content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.